Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we have an exciting product to dive into, the MARVO 2.4G Ergonomic Wireless Computer Keyboard. If you're in the market for a reliable wireless keyboard and mouse combo, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore all the features and benefits of this keyboard, so stick around for the next 5 minutes. Let's start by taking a closer look at the MARVO wireless keyboard and mouse combo. This combo not only includes a wireless keyboard but also a 9.84-inch phone and tablet holder for added convenience. Whether you're using it for work or play, this combo has you covered. Now, let's dive into some key features of this product. First off, it operates on a 2.4 GHz wireless connection, providing you with the freedom to work or play from a distance without the hassle of wires. This is great for keeping your workspace clutter-free. One thing you'll notice is the ergonomic design of the keyboard. Comfort is crucial during long typing sessions, and the MARVO keyboard is designed with that in mind. The keys are well spaced and provide a comfortable typing experience, reducing strain on your wrists and hands. The integrated 9.84-inch phone and tablet holder is a fantastic addition. It allows you to prop up your device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet, right in front of you while you work or browse. This is perfect for multitasking or following along with a recipe in the kitchen. The included mouse is a silent performer. It features 6 buttons and adjustable DPI settings, giving you precise control over your cursor movement. The silent click design is a real bonus for those who prefer a quiet work environment or late-night gaming sessions without disturbing others. One of the great things about the MARVO keyboard and mouse combo is its broad compatibility. Whether you're using a MacBook, Windows PC, or a laptop, you can connect and start using it without any issues. It's a versatile choice for various devices. And to sweeten the deal, MARVO provides a 1-year warranty for this combo. This speaks to their confidence in the product's quality and durability. It's always reassuring to have that peace of mind when making a purchase. In conclusion, the MARVO 2.4G Ergonomic Wireless Computer Keyboard is a reliable and versatile keyboard and mouse combo that can improve your productivity and comfort. With its ergonomic design, wireless connectivity, integrated device holder, and silent mouse, it's a great addition to any workspace. That wraps up our review of the MARVO wireless keyboard and mouse combo. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews of tech products. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this combo, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.